down in the woods today. You're sure of a big surprise.
Doctor, doctor, give me the news. I got a bad case of loving you. I make them good girls go bad. I make them good girls go. Good girls go.
Man, I feel like money. Man, I feel like money. Yeah. It's like it to me. Oh, yeah. They come around like honey. They come around like.
Feel you're so bad for yourself, move away from the water.
You recognize it, don't you? Did you like my gun?
Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? 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 'Cause I'm all alone. There's no one here beside me.
Mother knows best.
You think you got me figured out. You think you know what I'm about. Don't believe what you read. Half of the things you see. Thought you'd figure this out by now. Behind closed doors. Behind closed doors. You can't imagine. Behind closed doors. Where it happened. Behind closed doors. That's where the truth.
Meet Ophelia from Shakespeare's Hamlet. She is about to take her own life. This fate could have been avoided if she had a sassy gay friend.
Brother and sister, together we'll make it through.
I'm back. Alright, boys. Let's rumble.
Let's get ready, let's get ready, let's get ready to rumble. Watch us wreck the mic, watch us wreck the mic, watch us wreck the mic. Psych. Let's get ready, let's get ready, let's get.
I just want you to dance with me tonight. Hey girl, look at what you started. Play with love, got you broken hearted. I thought you were all I wanted. All good songs today we parted. Now the tables turned, lessons learned. You got burned, yeah. Hey girl, look at what you started. Play with love, got you broken hearted. Much stronger, makes me work a little bit harder, makes me that much
the fuck?